evening, everyone. Welcome to San Francisco. The local time is 6:06 p.m. It is Friday, December 5th. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlet. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and area around your seat to make sure you have all your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bin. Once you exit the aircraft today, you will not be permitted to re-enter to collect any items you may have forgotten. So it's very important you collect all your things before you leave us today. When we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. As a reminder, San Francisco is everyone's first stop. You will all be clearing immigration and customs here. On behalf of the entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, thank you for choosing to fly with us tonight. We hope you enjoyed your flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the door areas to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duties. Thanks again for joining us. Have a good evening, have a nice weekend, and please have a safe and happy holiday season.
各位乘客，我哋已經降落喺舊金山國際機場，今日係12月5號禮拜五，現時嘅時間係傍晚嘅6:07分。飛機將會滑行10分鐘，為咗你嘅安全，當飛機尚未停妥，喺集合之前請唔好起身離開座位提取行李，或者使用洗手間，繼續保持就座，將安全帶緊扣好，直到安全帶嘅燈號熄滅。喺你落飛機之前，請記得檢查是否帶齊所有嘅隨身物品，因為基於安全理由，喺你離開飛機之後係唔可以再返回機艙內提取你嘅個人物品。